One of my hobbies is playing with split keyboards, and most people ask me, why would you use a split keyboard? Why would you use MTGAP over QWERTY? So let me show you a quick demonstration of what it means to play with those things. I'm going to do one manipulation on my laptop keyboard, and the other one is going to be on my split keyboard, which is the Korn V4. Let's go. Command S. Command S. Command Shift P. Command Shift P. Option arrow. Option arrow. Control Command Space. Command Control Space. Hyper B. Hyper B. Control left and right. Control arrow. This is a Malagasy word, Manaira. Malagasy word, Manaira.